Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to pair Bluetooth device on Samsung mobile. Friends, you want to pair and friends you want to connect any Bluetooth device with your Samsung phones and how to connect and pair. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, friends click on connection setting and friends click on Bluetooth setting. Friends, Bluetooth setting is off, so first of all on. After on friends, refresh your Bluetooth setting and friends you can see here available device. So friends, which device you have, you want to connect, you want to pair with your Samsung phone. So friends, select, I have got the GMD, I will click here. Friends, you can see pairing, so we will wait here. Friends, not connected because I think guys my speaker is off, don't have battery I think friends. So friends, I will again try. So friends, you can see your device name here and friends click here and friends you will get here pair and notification and friends click on your pair notification and friends you can pair your Bluetooth device with your Samsung phone. So friends, I will refresh Bluetooth setting again and friends, the device friends I will connect. Friends, you can see pair option. Friends, you want to pair, so like that friends you can pair your Bluetooth device with your Samsung phone and you can use it. So after 4 and 5 seconds your device will pair with your phone. As you can see pair device and friends we can use, and friends you want to connect and friends you want to unpair, you want to rename the device name, you can rename from here and friends you can unpair. After unpair guys you cannot use the device. If you use friends again friends you will have to click on pair option, then friends you can pair this device again, otherwise guys you cannot pair. So like that friends we can use Bluetooth setting on Samsung phone device and we can pair any Bluetooth device here. And friends you can check your device name also. And friends, if you click the three dot option, friends click here, friends you can see advanced setting. Friends, you want to on music share, you can on from here and you can use. Friends, you can see Bluetooth control history. Friends, you want to check, so you can check from here. Friends, you can see block pairing request. Friends, you have blocked in device, so you can unblock from here. Bluetooth scan history. Friends, you want to check, so you can check from here. So as now we will off Bluetooth setting. Bye guys, thanks for watching the video.